Hi, my name is Jim Leaman. I went solar because actually I taught AP Bio and Environmental Science in high school. So I've done a lot of research and practical work around here in environmental methods. So as soon as I could afford solar, my wife and I wanted to go that route. So I learned of Pinnacle through doing research with my wife Jean at 4 different companies or more. And we were narrowing the field down and received a call from Pinnacle because they could tell that I was doing research with them. So Steve came and gave us a fine presentation, and after 3/4 of his talk, we were ready to work with the company. And so the time went by, and after a while Pinnacle shows up, and I have to say I was impressed pretty much from the start. Because the first thing they did with me was to take me outside and explain to me how things would be attached to the wall on the exterior. And then as the project went along and I would walk outside and ask questions, they answered all of my questions. And I also noticed that the crew were working well together. They knew the sequence of what needed to be done. And it was a very smooth process. And having been a hard worker all my life, I was noticing that there were no, quote, slackers among the crew, which is a good thing for the company. And then when I did understand the works, which they explained to me, and I had to go over that a few times, but they helped me with understanding how the system worked. Then they came inside, and I was adept only to a degree with my wonderful iPad from Apple. So they sat down and actually took me through and showed me the different kinds of statements that need to be read and signed and all that kind of thing. So when I was finished, I'd say with all of that, and they said goodbye, that I would certainly give them a high recommendation.